Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to change language of Shein app. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to change language of Shein app. Maybe because you are bilingual or you speak multiple languages, so you want the Shein app into your native language. Or maybe you're giving this profile to someone else who doesn't understand English, so you want the app in their language so they could understand it. Or there could be any other reason for you to add languages on Shein app. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Shein app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it. You are also logged in with your account on your device. Now just simply tap on the icon of the Shein app to open it. Once app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. At the top, you will read its title, and then you will find some of the options at the top. There will be some more options at the bottom of the page, and in the middle of the page you will see some other stuff. As we have 5 options in the middle of the page, so what we have to do is that we just have to simply select this right one option, which is your profile icon. Once you get into this one, you can easily change the language. But here, as you can see, the language is English because the language that is written in English. So we will see how we can change it. So therefore we have to go to this option, which is on the right bottom side, a profile icon. Just simply tap onto that option and you will land into your profile. Once you get here, there you will find bunch of options on your screen. So you have to select this one option. This is a settings icon. Just simply tap onto that option and you will land into the settings page. First, you will read the title of settings and you will find all these options. Every option here is different from each other and performs its own task in this app. So here, one thing you have to make sure that you have to select this option which says language. Once you tap on it, you will see few languages on your screen. Right now we have only 3 languages because the country that we have selected allows us to only choose 3 languages. If you have selected another country, then you might have more languages or less languages than that. Every country that you select has its own languages that it allows its user to use. So here, if you don't find any language of your choice, then you have to select another country, and after that you will be easily able to get other languages as well. So here we are going to the countries, or you could say location, and there we will select another country, and after that we will get back to the languages, and there you will see the languages will be different. So you have to keep that in mind, that if you're looking for a specific language and you couldn't find it, then you may change the location or the country. After that, you have found out your desired language. Just simply tap on its name and that language will be selected. After that, the language of the app will be changed into that language. So here you can see the language has been changed. Here you have to make sure that you only change those languages that you understand, because if the language of the app gets changed, it will be really hard for you to get back to the English. So you have to keep that in mind. So here again, click on the profile icon. After click on this settings icon, once you tap on it, here you have to look for something familiar with the option of language. Once you find that option, just simply click on it and there you can select any other language and the app will be get changed. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change language on Shein app. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.